Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve deleted photos from Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Then click at the collections at the middle bottom and go to the trash. And right here you have deleted photos, so you can restore from the trash. To restore it, so if you want to restore all of them, click at the three dots, select, and right here we have two options, delete all or restore all. So you click restore all and restore. Or maybe you wanna save only some of these photos, so just select them and then click restore and restore. Now, if you delete photos in the trash, you will remove them permanently, so you cannot restore them. And also, your photos and videos stay in the trash for 30 days, or if they back up, 60 days. So after that time, Google Photos automatically delete them, so you will remove them permanently, I mean the Google Photos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!